The best traders I know spend more time reading than clicking buy. And the best free reading room for US stocks from India? It's not a paid course. It's CoinSwitch's US Stocks Hub, 0 rupees, 0 upsell, and genuinely useful for beginners. Day 6. We've spent 4 days on CoinDCX mechanics. Today we flip to CoinSwitch, your education engine and habit builder. Even if you never trade a single future, this day's content will make you a sharper investor. The free learning hub. Open your browser and go to coinswitch.co/switch/us-stocks. This is CoinSwitch's dedicated US stocks education section. You'll find article grids covering the fundamentals. What is APE ratio? How do US capital gains taxes work for Indian residents? What are the S&P 500, Nasdaq, and Dow Jones? Stock in focus pieces on major tech names. These aren't 50-word blurbs. They're structured explainers written for Indian audiences, with rupee context, LRS references, and practical examples. Before you trade NVDA on CoinDCX, read the CoinSwitch explainer on what NVIDIA actually does. That 5-minute read can save you from buying a stock you don't understand. Portfolio tools inside the app. Open the CoinSwitch app. The portfolio dashboard shows your crypto holdings, allocation pie chart, and performance over time. If you already use crypto SIP, systematic investment plans, you already have the discipline muscle. Apply the same habit to US stock research, set a weekly reminder to read one article and update your watchlist. Smart Invest on CoinSwitch Pro offers automated strategy concepts for crypto. The parallel for US stocks. Build a systematic research routine. Same day every week, review your watchlist, check earnings dates, read one CoinSwitch article. Process beats simples. Web3 tokenized stocks, know what you're getting. CoinSwitch also offers tokenized US stocks on Web3, sometimes branded as X stocks. These give you blockchain-based exposure to companies like Tesla, Apple, and Nvidia. Sounds exciting, but understand the difference, these are not shares listed on Nasdaq. They carry different regulatory treatment, liquidity profiles, and product risks compared to both real shares and CoinDCX futures. Read the fine print. Tokenized does not mean identical. Why CoinSwitch matters even if you trade on CoinDCX. CoinSwitch paused its direct US stock brokerage via LRS. So right now, the platform's strongest play is education plus habit building, not execution. That's actually a feature, not a bug. You don't want to learn PE ratios while risking leveraged money. Learn on CoinSwitch first. Practice small on CoinDCX second. Review in a journal third. Build your first watchlist. Grab your notes app. Add 5 tickers, AAPL, MSFT, Google, NVDA, AMZN. For each one, write one sentence about what the company does. Apple, consumer devices and services. Microsoft, cloud and enterprise software. Google, search and advertising. Nvidia, AI chips and data centers. Amazon, e-commerce and AWS cloud. That's your week 1 watchlist. 5 names. 1 sentence each. Before week 3 when we deep dive each stock, you'll already know the basics. The habit loop. Learn on CoinSwitch. Practice on CoinDCX with 100 rupees at 1x leverage. Review what happened in a simple journal, even a Google Doc. Repeat weekly. That's how beginners become disciplined traders. Your homework, read one CoinSwitch US Stocks article today and add 3 tickers to your watchlist. Tomorrow, Day 7, US Market Basics. Indices, sectors, trading hours, and your Week 1 recap quiz. Not financial advice. Tokenized products and futures both carry risk. Verify features in app.